3 reasons to book the Bosphorus Sunset Cruise on the luxurious yacht. First, you will have a luxury experience. You will be on the spacious and comfortable yacht. Maximum capacity of the boat is 60 people and we take only 30 pax. Second, there will be live English speaking tour guide, not an audio guide, so you can ask him any questions anytime you want. Third, there will be Turkish snacks on board. You will have simit sandwich, baklava, nuts and Turkish tea. This luxurious yacht Bosphorus Sunset Cruise is only 60 euros per person. If you want to enjoy this luxurious experience, message us and we'll make your reservation. Want to get further details, message us and we will send you.